Caleb, what do you want to say to Uncle Joel?
Cheers. Happy birthday.
To
Happy
who?
birthday who?
Yeah, Uncle Joe. I love you, Uncle Joe.
Oh,
Oh, sweet.
that was good, but you have your drink in your mouth.
Honey, it doesn't matter. I love you, Uncle Joel. That's great.
Cheers.
Cheers!
It's a birthday
Happy
party.
birthday, Uncle Joel! Say, I love you, Uncle Joel.
I love you.
See you later.
See you later.
Go Lakers!
Lakers.
Go Steelers!
Go Steelers.
Yay, Kobe!
You Kobe.
Alright. We love you.
We love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Oh, good one.
Good job, Bubba.